Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to another video by your girl here, Big Bubbly Beauty. It's good to see you all again. So another month has come and my single swag box has come back. So I'm really excited to open this on camera for you guys. So for those of you who enjoyed my G-Friend reaction series, I'm really excited to announce that in this coming week I will be doing a video where I unbox this G-Friend Time for the Moon Night CD. So I'm very excited. But for now, let's get into the single swag box. What's first? I think this is jewelry. It was jewelry the last time. Probably jewelry again. Oh, that's cool. It's like this little paperclip necklace. A little bit of rhinestones on it. That's actually really cool. Sorry, not paperclip, safety pin. What am I saying? I've had a long week, so I'm sorry if I sound kind of delirious. I probably am. So this is the Melinda Maria safety pin pendant necklace. And it says on it, note to self, you are loved, you are safe, you are amazing. Aww, it's so cute. It says, let this chic sterling silver plated necklace serve as a reminder that you're always safe with yourself. Let's try this necklace on. Apparently the puppy thinks the necklace is for him. It's just a little high, almost choker-like necklace. That fits really nicely actually, I quite like that. And so that one was, holy cow. Wow. It supposedly retails for $78. I will admit I would never pay that. So I'm sorry to whoever made this, but that's a little overpriced. Just a smidge. Anyways. Oh, I got one of these in the FabFitFun box as well. So it's a Sea Minerals Champagne Charcoal Scrub. I've never actually used the one from the FabFitFun box yet, so I'm probably going to be giving this away. In all honesty, I only need one. And so this is the Mana Kadar Beauty Champagne Charcoal. I don't know why I keep saying charcoal. Charcoal scrub. And it retails for $38. A little overpriced. Moving on. This thing's really small. It says Halo on High Luminizing Powder. I like that on the back it says vegan and it's cruelty free. That's so sweet. I love it when the makeup says that and that they don't test it on animals. Ooh, that's such a pretty color. Oh, that's such a nice copper color. Oh my god. That's gorgeous. And it's got a little mirror in it too, which is awesome. And so this is the So Susan Cosmetics Halo on High Cream to Powder Luminizer. It's a 2-in-1 product containing passion flower extract and copper peptides. So it's a cream highlighter. That's awesome. And it retails for $25. Which, I'm not going to put it on my face, but let's just see. Whoa. That is very pigmented. Oh my. You do not need a lot of that. Wow. And it feels super soft. Wow. I did not expect that. Oh my god, this looks so cool. I've been excited for this and I really wanted this. I'm laughing at myself right now, but I really have wanted this book ever since I saw her talk about it. And I love that the foreword is by Chris Pratt. Despite what happened between them, it's still the foreword. So that's just so sweet. And I love her sense of humor as a person. I'm not so keen on her movies necessarily. I do like some of them. I'm not a big fan of some others. But she's a hilarious person, and so I'm really excited to read this. I normally do not read biographies, but this was one that I actually wanted to. Okay, so this is the Unqualified by Anna Faris. It's $16, and it says, in this hilarious, honest memoir, actress Anna Faris shares candid, sympathetic, and entertaining stories of love lost in one. Aww. I'm excited to read this, actually. I really am. What? Oh. It's a headband. Yeah. Never gonna wear that. So this is the Mavi Bands Boho Adjustable Non-Slip Headband. It's $18. Honestly, I'm not gonna wear it just because of this design. Just a big old nope. Just a big old nope. Okay, what's next? Ooh. The Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's kind of like in a nude color, like a pinky nude. Let's see how it looks. So first off, it says this is the Laritzi Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. It's $22. They say a cult favorite. Matte liquid lipstick that instantly delivers long-lasting and intense pigment. Formulated to be effortless and non-drying and water-resistant. Well, I'm going out for dinner with my fiance tonight because it's his birthday, so we'll see about that. Hopefully the color looks good on me because I don't have that great makeup remover. I don't know if I'll be able to get it off if it doesn't. How do you put on lipstick and not look like a doofus? Anyways, this smells amazing. It smells like those lip glosses you get as a kid that are candy scented or bubblegum scented, or not bubblegum, but like they smell like icing. It smells like icing. Vanilla icing specifically. I'm so bad at makeup. So the other reason I think I don't do makeup that often is because one, I'm bad at it. And two, my fiance, if it doesn't look that natural, he kind of comments on it and says I look like a clown if I wear red lips and stuff like that. He doesn't mean anything by it. It's just more like he prefers how I look and not how fake me looks, which is kind of flattering actually if you think about it. I feel like this is like coloring in between the lines on hard mode.
One eternity later.
Finally finished doing that. The color actually is really nice, but the non-drying part is a little bit of a lie. I can feel it sucking the moisture out of my lips already. Maybe it's just me. But it's really pretty, I think. And so the last thing in here is this decorated cookie. And it's the Decorated Cookie Company Donut Emoji Cookie for $5. Oh my god, this looks so cute. So incredibly cute. Oh my god. That is actually really good. It smells faintly of vanilla. And it's a really yummy cookie. So it's not as good as the last ones I got in the last box. Those coconut cookies, they were to die for. This is more, it looks really cute. It'll be cute for a picture, but it's not fully as yummy as the other one. So this one's more aesthetic, but still tasty. Whereas the other ones were definitely all for the taste. Oh my god. That is everything. That's all that I got in my single swag box for the month of May. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you have a wonderful day, beautiful people. Bye-bye.